Welcome to our tutorial on how to turn off message notifications in WhatsApp on your PC. In this video, we will guide you through the simple steps to disable message notifications, allowing you to have a more focused and uninterrupted WhatsApp experience. Let's get started. Step 1. Open WhatsApp on your PC. You can do this by clicking on the WhatsApp icon on your desktop or searching for it in the Start menu. Step 2. Once WhatsApp is open, locate the gear icon in the bottom left corner of the screen. This icon will take you to the Settings menu. Click on it to proceed. Step 3. In the Settings menu, you will find different tabs. Look for the tab labeled Notifications, and click on it to access the notification settings. Step 4. Within the notification settings, you will see various options for different types of notifications. Find the option labeled Messages and toggle off the switch next to it. This will disable message notifications in WhatsApp. By turning off message notifications, you can have a more focused and uninterrupted WhatsApp experience on your PC. You won't be constantly distracted by incoming message notifications while working or engaging in other activities. That's it. You have successfully turned off message notifications in WhatsApp on your PC. With this simple adjustment, you can enjoy a more peaceful and distraction-free WhatsApp experience, allowing you to concentrate on what matters most. Thank you for watching this tutorial. We hope you found it helpful. If you have any other questions or need further assistance, please feel free to leave a comment below. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more useful tutorials like this one. Until next time, happy messaging.